Here's a 2016 Subaru Legacy. Refined, accommodating, and adventurous, the Legacy is Subaru doing what it does best. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, wireless phone connectivity, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, selective service internet access, voice-activated climate controls, H4 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, four-wheel drive, and continuously variable automatic transmission. From car and driver, so Subaru has created a larger, more competitive, and still fun-to-drive Legacy that has a base price lower than that of the current class favorite. Doesn't really sound like much of a sacrifice anymore, does it? Live in the moment and love every minute in your Subaru. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.